Blessed day everyone! So for this video, you will see my journey on how I created this simple ribbed crochet top. Meaning, it will not be a tutorial but more on a vlog in which how a crocheter makes her project. So hopefully you will enjoy. It's just simple and easy. Okay. So for this project, I have used this yarn that I bought from Thailand. Unfortunately, I cannot find the label for this yarn, but I do believe that it is a combination of a cotton and acrylic yarn, more on a cotton yarn based from the feel of it. And I have used a where's that 5mm or graded 5 crochet hook. I don't know what's the difference between those, the 5mm or a graded 5 crochet hook. So let's get started. So for this project, I have created, or I've made a very long panel of a rib stitch. I have a tutorial on how to make a rib stitch, but if you cannot understand that one, there are plenty of tutorials in YouTube on how to create a rib stitch. For the next part, I'll be showing you how I've sized this rib stitch or this panel for my size that you can also do to your size. Okay? Next, we will be adding buttons by folding our panel in half, making sure that both ends meet in the middle. Okay, small tip, better to add buttons on the first row or where you started and created the chain stitch to give allowance if you want to adjust if you want to adjust your panel. For example, you want to lessen the row or you want to add more row. So in adding buttons, you want first to plan the placement of the buttons. So bring out your buttons, check how many buttons you're gonna use and where to place it. Of course, also making sure the spacing are equal or almost equal. Then do simple bottom stitch, the up, down method. After adding all the buttons, that's the time that I realized that the buttons did not fit on the stitches that I have used. So to solve, I've used an hook and eye in between those stitches to solve this problem. Okay, so if you want to add strap for this crochet top or any crochet top that you have, this is a simple thing or a very simple hack that you can do. Get one of your clothes, spaghetti strap clothes that you have and fits you very well, and measure it. Okay, check for the middle for both sides. So from my creation, it has the same width. That's what also, this is also the top that I'm following to get a good size of my crochet top. So this will be the middle and this is the middle of your crochet top. You will easily identify where to put your strap by aligning the strap that you have created from the strap that your clothes already have. So for example, this is the strap of my clothes and this is the strap of what I've created. I know that I'm gonna be placing my strap over here. Same on the other side. There. So that's where I will place my strap. Okay, so in attaching the strap, you can stitch this one at the back, or if you want to make this strap detachable and you can wear it just a tube or sometimes with a strap, you can use simple like this one, the hook and eye, or also a button like this. But as I've told you before, this size of button doesn't fit the whole of my crochet top. So I found this at the Japan store, and I thought to buy this one to replace this one. But then I did really like the handmade with love button of this one, so I didn't replace it. But I know that this one fits very well in between my crochet top. See? There. So I can use this one, and it has a matching color. Okay, so I can use this one and stitch this into this place. So I can detach it like that. Okay. So you can have any stitches that you want. I'll meet you back after I've stitched this one.